is a lively bunch. This is fantastic. It's what we want. There's a lot of conversation, a lot of dialogue. I got to thinking when Fred made the comment about this is like the Academy Awards, I was wondering if this had been like the Met Gala, what he might have worn tonight. Might have been something a little more exciting. I'm not sure what he's got in the closet, but maybe we'll find out one of these years.
Is everybody having a good time? Good time tonight? I see a lot of friendly faces. I see a lot of smiles. And for the Rising 30, I see a lot of pride in your eyes and maybe a bit of nervousness. But don't worry, we'll power through this together. My name is INDIANA, and I'm going to be your MC tonight. This evening, I will be having a brief conversation with each of the honorees. You will get your chance to get to know them in a little bit more detail. We will be bringing them up in small groups for a quick Q&A. We will also be hearing from the individuals who nominated tonight's honorees. That's going to be something beautiful. These are their mentors, their leaders, and peers. Let's hear from their nominators to learn a little more about why these individuals are deserving of this esteemed recognition.
I consider Malachi a rising star because he went out after graduation, got some experience, and then immediately started his own company. He, in only a few short years, has grown into millions of dollars of sales, looking globally for customers, and he didn't wait to start giving back. He comes in and speaks at my classes, and he has from day one.
Tenacious. Leader. Integrity. Committed.
Curious. Self-starter.
That's all I can do.
Good to see you in person. Congratulations. There you go. All right, group 5. 5's my favorite number. Malachi. You know, when she said that, I think I got it, but then I forgot. Malachi.
Yes, sir.
I mean, you have some enormous experience under you. You know, you are a chief executive officer at Elite Automation, and what's been really interesting about you is how you leverage social media, you know, to build a company that focuses on industrial automation. That is very fascinating. Like, how did it all start? Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, so I mean, I think industrial automation as a whole has been kind of a very unseen market, right? It's not been a ton of exposure to the market. To be honest, whenever I got into this industry, I didn't know anything about it. I went into the college and said, I don't know what I want to do. Like, what are your programs? And, you know, they had automotive, they had welding, and they're like, we have this automation thing. And I'm like, okay, what's automation? And robots and da-da-da-da. And I'm like, let's do that one, you know? And so, I think just bringing exposure to the market is like a huge thing. And then also, company and brand awareness is really big. And a lot of, especially systems integrators, which is what we are, they're not too focused on like social media presence, and most customers don't even know who they are without like the initial like sales outreach.
Great. Like, speaking of, you know, promoting brand, you know, let's give a shout out to Plaid for setting this up for Conexus 30. I think they've done a great job with the advertisements and everything. And tell us a bit more about how important is it to now have a social media presence? You know, for companies, for organizations, you know, the young talent, all of us are in social media.
Yeah, I think definitely the younger audience is going to be the audience that's going into the workforce, especially for manufacturers. Like, it's not like a super hot thing to get into unless you expose like the interesting things about the industry. We're slightly lucky as a company to do a lot of different things. So we're doing mechanical engineering, we're doing electrical engineering, we're doing programming, and a lot of these big manufacturings offer that as well. But they have to be able to bring that to light and show that to the younger audience coming in.
Thank you, Malachi. And congratulations, Jessica. for winning the award for Rising 30. Keep powering on, and let's all give a round of applause for the 5 on stage and Jessica. All right. Before first of all, let's give a round of applause to all the Rising 30 one more time.
Did you open it? All right.
It worked.